What is going on, my fellow Shenanigoons? Ajax here, back with another video, and this is an update on the status or the progress of the Ole Goat group build, hosted by Lucas C over at Lucas C's Model Car Hobby headquarters. I'll keep this relatively brief because I'm pretty close to the finish line here, just making my detail pass, but I figured I would put together a quick video, show you guys what I had going on. So I will be right back. Right, so we're back with a different point of view this video, just to give you a shot inside the box, let you see what I've got going on here. So yeah, first and foremost, we'll get the chrome tree out of the way. The body here, we got the body painted and clear coated, and the hood is stuck on the body. So yeah, got the hood there. It's painted with Tamiya spray can. That's a rattle can titanium gold with a 2K clear finish, and you can see I got a couple of boogers in it that I gotta wet sand out. Same thing with the roof here. I got a couple of minor imperfections. Got a booger there, a couple of boogers on the trunk, but we'll get those sanded. The rest of the rig is looking pretty decent though. Moving on, here is our chassis and drivetrain. You can see that it is painted and ready to go. We have the hot rod gray underbody with the satin black actual frame. Go to the interior, and yeah, I re-chromed that piece inside that you're seeing there, but the interior, you can see the carpet there. That is actually embossing powder that I used. And yeah, I got a couple of bits and pieces. Our engine here, there's our exhaust, super small, teeny tiny little radiator there. Scratch built this piece to basically cover up the the front cowl under the hood when you open it up. Our firewall, it's painted, needs to be detailed. Yeah, there's the forgive me as I'm looking at this through the monitor from a distance, but yeah, my seats. Last not least, the actual wheels, the rally wheels from the kit. I stripped these, then painted them with a combination of gray primer, flat aluminum, and then chrome, a Molotov or Gundam chrome pen for the trim rings. What I decided to do was to build this box stock, and the reason why I decided to do that was because I initially bought a whole bunch of different parts and pieces from the Revell 66 GTO kit. The 66 GTO kit is in many ways a much better, much more accurate kit, but at the same time, the theme of this build, working with a kit that's less than stellar and making it look good, having a bunch of Revell parts underneath an NPC body felt like I was missing the point. So, long story short, we're essentially putting this one together box stock, which is why you're getting this quick, short video. I am rambling. There's not a whole heck of a lot to look at here, but because I am rambling, I'll go ahead and wrap it up now. We'll see you.